Want to make your videos trendy and fun on CapCut? Using trending templates make it super easy. In this video, I'll show you how to use trending templates on your phone. So let's get started. First, open up the CapCut app on your iPhone. Then, make sure you're signed in to see all the templates. After that, tap Templates at the bottom. Here, you will see a list of trending templates. Scroll through the trending templates. Tap Preview to see how it looks. If you like one, then tap Use Template. Then, CapCut will ask you to select videos or photos. Just pick the clips you want to use in the template. Then, Add or Next from below. After this, CapCut will automatically edit your clips with transitions, effects, and music. Then, wait a few seconds for it to finish. You can adjust text, stickers, filters, or duration if needed. Tap any element to edit it. Here, you will see a few options for editing. After editing, tap the export at the top right. And that's it! Your video is now using a trending CapCut template. Like and subscribe for more easy iPhone and CapCut tips.